Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today I've had a request to draw a dolphin. So all that you're going to need is some plain white paper, a pencil, an eraser and a black pen. And don't forget, if you like drawing animals, please download my free PDF of how to draw a horse galloping, which you'll find just up here in the link above. Let's get started. We're going to start off nice and easy by doing a big circle. So you can either do one freehand, or I'm just going to use a bowl, anything round that you've got to hand, and just draw around it. Okay, now once you've got your circle, we're going to be doing a crescent shape. So if we say halfway is just about there, and halfway is just about there on this side, if you just come a little bit lower than the halfway mark, put a little pencil mark there, and then go a little bit higher than the halfway mark on this side, we're going to draw a crescent shape. So you can either use your bowl again, just to help you with a rough guideline, or you can do it freehand. I'm actually going to do it freehand because it's going to be a lot easier. So I'm going to join this one up with that one. So just using your hand, use it as a pivot with your wrist and just go around just like this. And you can have as many goes as you like, and it doesn't have to be neat. And try not to press as hard as I am. I'm only doing this so that you can see it on camera. There we go. So now we're going to draw the center point going through the middle here. So I'm just going to mark it out there, and that's where the fin's going to start. So I'm just going to roughly outline the fin, just like that. And then if we mark out the center point coming all the way down, just with a rough line, just like so. If we do the tip of the bottom fin, we're just going to bring it round like this, and then one like this. And we're going to add the eye just here, and then we're going to also add the tail. So just draw a rough shape of the tail, just like this. There we go. We're going to make it look a lot more realistic in a second, but that's stage one. Now we're going to add more detail and make it look a little bit more realistic. So using these shapes that we've already drawn as a guideline, we're just going to make them look a little bit better. So the fin will come round here, and then the body of the dolphin come all the way down, just like so. Don't forget, you can pause the video at any moment and you can repeat little bits if I'm going too fast for you. And then go round, just like this. And then we're going to do the bottom part here. It's going to come round, and then round here. And we're also going to draw the other fin, which will start just about here, come up to about there. Don't forget, you can erase any part if you just make a mistake. Don't worry, just go back and erase it and start again. We're coming under here, and then we're going to come round here. We're going to bring it down, just around here. Okay. So bring it round, just draw a line like that. I'm just going to erase this part, the semicircle that we did earlier, because it's interfering with the drawing. It looks a bit confusing. So just like that. And then the nose. So this comes up, and we're going to join it up at the top, just like so. And then the mouth. Coming all the way up, like a little smile. I'm just going to move the eye slightly. I think it was in slightly the wrong place. But where you've got the top of the mouth, just carry on a little bit higher, just there. Draw a little circle, and then the eye goes just there. There we go. Just going to perfect the other fin in the background. Just like that. And the tail's going to be a little bit more realistic, so we're just going to erase part of our guidelines. And we're going to start the tail here. It's going to come out. And then, I'm going to erase this just so that you can see it a little bit better. It goes up just here, goes round and curves round. We're going to do the same for the other side. Goes up, curves round. This part comes down and then it joins just there. So I'm now going to go over it in pen and then we're going to erase all the practice lines. So here's the finished dolphin drawing. If you've enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like, and if you've got any requests of animals or anything that you'd like me to draw, please leave it in the comment section below. Many thanks, goodbye!